Sometimes it takes every ounce of determination you have to get up off the couch to clean your own house. Maybe you're sick, maybe you're depressed, maybe you have a pain issue, or maybe you're just overwhelmed and you don't know where to start. I am making this video for you because I have been there and I needed to push myself to get up off the couch so I could have a clean house for myself. And let me tell you, after it's all said and done, I feel a million times better. So let's start in the kitchen because that's where the biggest mess always is for me. I want to say that decluttering has seriously transformed my life. My house used to look like this 24/7. Before I decluttered and organized, I always had my kitchen in this state. Now, I'd say about 80% of the time, things are pretty decent in my home. Whereas before, it was 100% of the time a complete, total hot gangsta mess. It never looked clean. It never was organized. It always had too much stuff. So yes, I've made a lot of progress. Do I still fall back into old habits and let things pile up? Absolutely. I don't know if that'll ever go away, but overall, the trajectory is improvement. Progress over perfection, y'all. It's 12:35 on the dot. I'm gonna see how long it takes me to wash all of the dishes. Let's go. The other thing I'll say is I really love decluttering and organizing and keeping my space more minimal. What I don't love is cleaning. That is something I've learned. I don't like scrubbing floors. I don't like vacuuming, sweeping, doing dishes, scrubbing countertops. I don't like it. And I really want to hire someone to do these things. I know I'm gonna have to do dishes. That I'm gonna have to do for the rest of my life. Even if I have a dishwasher, like loading, unloading. So I've made peace with that. But overall, cleaning, it's not my favorite thing. And I don't think there's any shame in wanting to hire that task out. And it is a goal I have for myself in the new year. Dishes are done. Okay, that took about 22 minutes. And now I'm going to wipe down the countertops, put everything back into its home. So yeah, trash gathered, dishes done, and now I'm gonna relocate items that are in the wrong place. What you doing?
You look suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. What are you doing, weirdo? All right. The secret to not getting overwhelmed is to just do one item at a time. This goes into this bin. Trash. This is broken, needs to be repaired. I know where this goes. Same place as the pot holder. Lazy Susan. These need to be washed. Lazy Susan. Other Lazy Susan. Under the sink. That's why it's great to organize, because then everything starts to have home. Samson's bag. It's gonna go in the bathroom. Upper cabinet. This goes in the pantry cabinet. Samson's medicine. Coffee bin. Fridge.
It's lunchtime and I want to thank today's sponsor, Factor. I love my Factor meals. They keep me on track with my healthy eating goals. So nutritious, so easy. Today I'm having grilled chicken alla vodka with zucchini noodles and broccoli. To make something like this would take me hours. I'd have to go to the grocery store, do the shopping, do the cooking, do the cleanup afterwards. And with Factor, everything is chef prepared. It's fresh food, never frozen, and I just adore their keto menu plan, but they have lots of different options. With it being the holidays over the next 6 weeks, I think it's just so important to have healthy options on hand as much as possible. Let me give it a taste test. Head to go.factor75.com/thecarlaproject60 and use code thecarlaproject60 to get 60% off your first Factor box. Go.factor75.com/thecarlaproject60. Use code thecarlaproject60 to get 60% off your first Factor box. Thank you, Factor.
Yeah, this works.
Clean. Dishes are drying. All of those are drying. Clean. This will be filled with the dishes, but it's good. Pile of trash, and I just need to move this back into the closet and put this in the bathroom. The last thing I wanted to do this morning was to clean my apartment. And I've been realizing more and more that the only way my life gets better is if I am doing a lot of things that I don't want to do. So that's anything from waking up early to go for my walk, going to Pilates class, even though it is so hard and I am so out of shape, doing my dishes and cleaning up my apartment when it's a Saturday and I just want to lay on the couch and watch Netflix and relax or something. But I have to do the things I don't want to do because they're actually good for me. And at the end of it, I always feel better. And so I have to play these mind games with myself where I say, okay, just get up and clean for 5 minutes. And if you don't want to do it anymore after that, you don't have to do it. But then eventually momentum takes over. And if I tell myself, okay, just go outside, walk for 2 minutes, you can turn back around and come home. But really the hard part is starting something. So once you start, momentum takes over. Anything I can do to just get myself started, that is always the challenging part. And then from there, everything gets a little bit easier. I know someone needed to hear that because it's the kind of stuff that I talk to myself about to get myself motivated. I bought this cord organizer for appliances. Let me show you how it works.
Loose cords drive me crazy. Peel off the back and you stick it to your appliance. Okay, it's stuck on there pretty good. And now I'm gonna wind the cord. This is so smart. Wow, whoever invented this is literally a genius. How cool is that? That's amazing. Look at that. No more loose cords. I'll link it in the description box. I'm gonna do it for my air purifier too. Like, all of these should come with a cord winder. That's amazing. These would just be loose cords on the floor. That one comes with one. It's broken, but it does happen. This is my seasonal box, and I'm going to put the coat that I brought with me on my holiday into this bin. I'm going to take my swimsuit, put it in here, and my giant scarf. Okay, here's the random stuff that was left in the suitcase. These are the 2 items I did not wear. All the other clothing I brought with me, I wore. So I'm gonna hang these up. This will go in the dirty clothes basket. This will go where my masks go. Where's my other one? So this belongs in here. A little mask box. And then for the suitcase, I'm keeping anything travel related in here. My neck pillow, this bag I use, dust bag I use as a laundry bag. Oh, oops, missed a few things. Contacts, my eyeshadow, earplugs for the plane, travel umbrella, travel plug, and this I'm on the fence about keeping. Underwater phone holder. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it in here for now. Okay, throwing away this bag, little nail file, a rock that I got from the beach in Italy. I don't really need that. Old patches for motion sickness, a postcard I never sent, some kind of lozenge. It's just part of a bag that broke. These shoes are really like, they need to be done, but I'm not ready to say goodbye to them. I need to find a replacement. I'll work on that this month. But for now, I'm gonna keep them over here. Throw this stuff away. I love this hanging organizer. It's really for jewelry, but I've started using it for all kinds of little knickknacks. Some of my hair ties are in here. I'm gonna put this mini sewing kit, the coins that I got from other countries, and this, actually this I'm gonna put in the bathroom, my biomedic necklace. Oh, I even have my roller ball in here. It's great for all kinds of random things. Much better. Much better. Okay, let me work on this zone next. I love finding little jars like this. I found this at a thrift store. I'm gonna put my contact lenses inside. Had this out because I was sick, so I'm gonna move these under the sink. Okay, this looks good, this looks good, this looks good. I'll put this back under the sink. Medicine cabinet done. I'm gonna do some decluttering, end of the year decluttering in December, because I already know I wanna get rid of some of these products. Much better, much better. Looks good, it's clean.
Add to you.